No need to show all of this, but in calculations you have to include all. So this angle should be 30 degrees, no doubt. This angle should be 30 degrees. Theta will write it. I'll extend this line. They were at rest. Will there be any impulse by them? Yes, the impulse, it will see impulse. Only 2 impulse I can show it, but 4 impulses will act all together. And the impulse on on these balls will be in this direction. Just after the impulse, how do in the this ball, these balls will move in the direction of the impulse. So it will be like this. This ball will move in the direction of this. And this ball, we are saying that it will rebound. Let's assume that one. So there's a ball 1, ball 5, there's a ball 1, there's a ball 2. Now what is theta? 30 degrees. It should be, because all are symmetric, identical balls. So theta must be 30 degrees. Apply conservation of like a impulse momentum equation on the ball 5. On ball 5. MV initial 4 times of J cos theta. Now why 4? Because the impulse is what I'm showing by 2. Similarly, there'll be impulse by the ball 3 and 4 also. And finally, it is equal to minus MV. Okay, till here is what? Okay, now look at the ball 1 and they're having mass M. All are having mass M. That also will indicate. Now we'll apply the impulse momentum equation for ball 1 and 2 on balls 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is the equation we can write? J equal to what is the velocity they'll move? I think we'll write it. This is V5. Better we'll make it simple. And this is V1. This is V2. And V1, V2 equal to V3 equal to V4. Why all 4 balls must have same speed? The same impulse J will act on them. Only 1 and 2 I'm able to show the diagram. So 3, 4 also it will be. So therefore the impulse J should be equal to MV1, or it should also equal to MV2. How many unknowns are there? V1, V5, and J. I think badly we need one more equation. What is one more equation you can bring? The collision is perfectly elastic. So shall we take quotient of restitution formula? It's very much so. Between what? Between any one, between ball 5 and any one ball, any one ball. So the quotient of restitution will end up like this. This will be the velocity of ball. Before collision, it was V. It was V. After collision, it has become V5. And that of the ball 2, I am writing ball 2, the diagram which I draw now. So this is what line of impact for ball 2 and ball 5. And this direction, let me take positive. So what are the angles? Angles, how we have to take it? I think this should be the theta. This should be theta. This should be theta. This is directly along line of impact here. Let's write E equal to velocity V2, no, velocity of second ball. Okay, this will write V2 minus of V5 cos theta by v cos theta minus 0 as e equal to 1. So therefore, this will become 1 equal to v2 plus v5 cos theta. Theta is 30 degrees. Root 3 by 2 by v root 3 by 2. Any simplification after this? V root 3 by 2 equal to v2 plus v5 root 3 by 2. Equation 3, you write it. This you call equation 2. This is equation 1. I think now we can solve. No? Very simple. Somehow student has to imagine. Somehow. So that imagination clarity is what needed. Like that, the impulses will be there. So why 4j cos theta is very important. Anybody, can you? Speed of the ball 1 after collision, root 2 v by 3. I think if you can input answer, we'll wind up the class. I'll write down v5 is, these are the answers. v5 is v by 3, v1, v2, v3, v4. This is equal to v root 2 by 3. Check once.
Sure. In the equation of E in denominator, why did you take v cos theta, sir?
Component of velocity along line of impact. Along line of impact is what all you should measure velocities, no? Velocity of the ball phi along line of impact. This LOI, no, it is called as. What is LOI? Line of impact.